Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I want to give a couple of quick tips on ways to kind of shop around and possibly save money or get a good deal. This kind of stemmed from one of the last videos I made on ZNOG about how I researched our boy Jamil June's fake pictures on and how he found out that he was pulling off of Google, right? So I'm on eBay here. Those of you who've been following me for a while know I used to have an eBay Amazon drop shipping business, and basically what I would do was I'd find an item on Amazon that was selling on eBay. I would basically take all of that information and transfer it over to eBay, okay, for a markup. All right, I'd calculate my costs, I'd calculate my profit margins, fees, everything, and whatever someone was selling for, I would just undercut that person, almost like steal their title basically, and kind of change the name up a little bit. And then if I would sell it on eBay, I would take the money, buy it on Amazon, ship it to the customer, never really had to touch the product, right? So for example, if I found a kitchen faucet selling on Amazon for $50, I can come on eBay, list it up for $70, sell it for $70 minus my fees, cost of the item, buy it on Amazon, ship it, maybe make anywhere from $6 to $10 on that, and then just kind of keep repeating the process over and over and over. And yeah, so the problem with that now is the market's kind of flooded with people who do it, as well as we have a lot of other sources other than eBay, Amazon, right? They got Shopify, all these other companies. So I ended up getting out of doing that, but not before helping myself pay for school. For grad school is a great source of income for me for a while. Plus it taught me how to shop a little bit, which is what I'm going to show you here. So if you're ever on eBay and you see these white stock photos, chances are that they came from Amazon, okay? Most of all your Amazon photos that you see, start paying attention to that. You'll see on Amazon how they have white backgrounds. So that's chances are that they got these from Amazon. They're drop shipping on here, or it could be the flip-flopping around too. Amazon people could be drop shipping off of eBay as well. Those companies could be playing their own products on both websites. So these white backgrounds, for sure, you can find most of these are going to come from Amazon, just an FYI. So basically the way that before I buy anything online, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the same thing I did in my previous video. And you won't always get you won't always find a deal cheaper, but sometimes you will. So you just click on the picture, and then you'll right click it, and then you're gonna search image using Google Lens. Now people have gotten really good at adjusting their photos, okay? Like for myself, what I would do is whenever I would download this picture from Amazon, I would resize it and rename it to where it's a lot harder to find where the actual source came from, and and that could be what some of these people do now, because it's a lot harder to actually find some of these pictures, but not everybody will do that. So I'm just going to check it out and see. Like I said, sometimes you're going to find that it's actually more expensive, like in this case here. So this is a $48, but it's not the same picture, right? So anyway, this is what I do to shop. Is you just right click, you try to find the source of where that photo came from, just like what we did in the other video with ZNOG, okay? And like I said, you won't always find a cheaper deal, but sometimes you will, okay? And you can do the same thing on Amazon, okay? You can click on the photo here, and you can search Google Lens here, and this can be with any type of item that you're searching for, okay? And it doesn't hurt to just do a quick checkup to say, like, hey, I could save 5, 10, 15, 20 bucks on this item here. And it brings a bunch of other information up as well. So you see all these different pictures. Notice how they're different directions. All right, so as a drop shipper, what I did was if I downloaded this picture and I went to Paint Shop, what I would do is I would flip the picture over, maybe to make it stand out and make it harder to search. So I would just flip it to where the head of the faucet was actually facing this way. and the handle was facing this way. I would resize it and I would rename it. Not everybody knows necessarily how to do that, so every now and again you'll find a cheaper deal that way. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of show you that quick tip. Also, car dealerships, this was an article that came out, and I thought it was kind of interesting. It's an older article, however, I thought it would just kind of give you an idea. It says, in today's world of social media and word of mouth, dealers want to sell to people that are happy. So instead of saying, I don't like this car, when someone's negotiating with you or you're negotiating with that person to get a better deal, instead of saying, I don't like it, it's a better idea to say, I do like this. Okay, and it makes me, and if you make me a good deal, I'll tell all my friends that you gave me a good deal and that you're a good place to buy from. So in today's world of social media, like it said, people want to sell to people who are happy, and it says they don't want to sell to people who are miserable. If you're happy, you have the chance to refer friends, your family, your colleagues. If you're miserable, nobody wants to deal with that. Okay, so which is a good thing to do. So if you want to test this out, go to 2 different dealerships, 3 different dealerships, and try saying oh, I don't like this, oh, I don't like that. And what happens is the salesperson's going to kind of get aggravated with you and be like, okay, look, instead of wasting time with someone who's not wanting to really buy and don't like anything, I'm going to maybe give them my card, call me if you need, I'll come back to you. But if they're like, man, I really like this one, what kind of deal can you do for me? They're going to work harder for you. All right. Which in a sense, they're going to kind of try to do a little bit more for you to help you leave with a vehicle. So anyway, guys, just a couple little tips and tricks I wanted to share with you on potentially getting good deals and saving money. Let me know your comments below. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.